Hi students, we studied the 5 kingdoms proposed by R.H. Whittaker. But there are some more organisms which are acellular in nature. These are not included in these kingdoms, so we can study them separately. These include viruses, viroids and lichens. First one, viruses. Viruses are not truly living. Outside the body of a living organism, they have an inert crystalline structure. But when they enter inside the body of a living organism, they use the host machinery for their replication and become active and live. The name virus means venom, poison. It was given by Pasteur. Ivanovsky identified there is a microorganism which is responsible for mosaic disease in tobacco. And these are smaller than bacteria because these can easily pass through the bacteria-proof filters. M.W. Bajerneck identified the extract of the infected tobacco is capable of infecting other healthy plants. So this extract, this fluid is known as contagium vivum fluidum, infectious living fluid. W.M. Stanley identified these organisms could be crystallized and the crystals are made up of proteins. Okay. In addition to this protein coat, viruses possess the genetic material also. The genetic material may be either RNA or DNA. The virus that attacks the plant generally possesses a single-stranded RNA, whereas the virus that attacks an animal generally possesses a single-stranded or a double-stranded RNA or a double-stranded DNA. There is one more category, bacteriophage, means the virus that attacks a bacteria. It possesses a double-stranded DNA as its genetic material. The protein coat is known as the capsid. It is made up of units called capsomeres. These are arranged in different shapes. There are a number of diseases caused by virus. Mumps, smallpox, influenza, AIDS, common cold, all these are some of the examples of this disease. In plants also, virus cause diseases. And the symptoms in plants generally include leaf curling and rolling, yellowing, mosaic pattern, dwarfism, stunted growth, etc. That is all about viruses. The second category, that is viroids. Thibaut Dainer identified an infectious agent that is responsible for potato spindle tuber disease. These are smaller than virus. They do not have a protein coat, only a free RNA. This RNA is also of low molecular weight. So remember, viroids are smaller than viruses. And the last one, that is lichen. You know, lichens are the symbiotic association of algae and fungi. Two components are there, algal component and fungal component. Algal component is known as the phycobiont and the fungal component is known as mycobiont. There is a mutual relationship. Algae are autotrophic in nature, so they prepare food for fungal component, whereas the fungal component provides shelter as well as it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. These lichens are very good pollution indicators because lichens never grow in polluted areas. That is all about the chapter. Study all these points. In the next class, we can study the next chapter. Thank you.